Here's where you can set whether the app has the camera cutout shown like this with the hole punch out or a black bar going across. This is the Galaxy A55 smartphone, and I'll show you where to go to do this for every app. When you want to do this, use the quick panel access and tap on the settings icon right up here at the top right. This will take you to the main settings of your Samsung phone, and you can go into the display settings section. You can always use the search bar here or before to type in the words camera cutout, and you'll find it quickly if you wanted to do it that way. So once you're here now in the camera cutout section, you'll see these right there. And what you're going to do now is go down the list of all the compatible apps on your phone. This is only going to work for apps that are from the Play Store, as third-party apps may not work for you. So for example, right now, I'm going to go ahead and do this for the calculator app. So when you go there, you will see the option to show camera cutout, which means you'll show the hole punch there, or hide it, or auto. Auto will only adjust depending on the app itself or the aspect ratio of the app itself. So if you want it to be specific, say for example, you want to hide it, right? So let's go into the calculator app now itself, and you're going to see there is this black bar at the top section here, okay? That's going to basically say that your camera cutout is hidden, but I mean, the hole punch is there, but if you want, you can come back and set it to show. And now if we go back to the app itself, you'll see that it is now shown like this here. And that's how you do it. So like and sub.